Good afternoon. Some people have been talking about needing to be able to connect Edpuzzle with Canvas. And so I'm going to show you real quick and easy way how to do that. No more do you need to have a Google Classroom and a Canvas Classroom for Edpuzzle because it connects seamlessly straight into your Canvas assignments. So the thing that you will do is go to your Edpuzzle account. You will have to create a new class that is specifically for your Canvas classes because all you're doing is clicking the plus. You're going to now select the Canvas option. And this is probably foreign language to you, but there is a consumer code and a shared secret that you need. So we're going to copy the consumer code. We're going to come over here to our Canvas class that we are going to put this assignment in and connect this class to Edpuzzle. Go to your settings in Canvas, then go to apps. Right up here in your filter, type in Edpuzzle and it'll pop up. Click on it, click Add App, and now you'll see the place to put your consumer code and come back over here, grab your shared secret. Let's come back to Canvas and we're going to paste it right in there and select Add App. So we're going to go right up here to our assignments, and I'm going to go to modules because that's where I set it up. And then down at the very bottom, I created one that is for Edpuzzle. So we're going to come in here and click this little plus, and we're going to create a new assignment, and I'm going to say Edpuzzle. Then we're going to click Add Item. And once that's added, we're going to go in now and edit. You can type your directions up here of what you want the kids to do, and then come down here where it says submission type, and this is where it's going to connect straight into Edpuzzle. Click external tool, click find, and there's Edpuzzle assignment 1. And we're going to give it a grade level and a subject. And then we're going to say create class. And so this is how the class is created. We're going to click on the item that we want to assign. And then we're going to click assign, and then click select. And then come right down here and save. And once we've done that, then our assignment is saved and our kids will be able to see it.